Hello, sir. Yeah, yeah, I'm speaking in English. You are speaking in Zulu. Yes. Now, this is King Mzilikazi Commemoration Mzilikazi Day. They are day 2, and we are at City Hall, ready to go to Mhlatlandlela. And I'm happy that you are here. Why are you here?
I'm here because I've always wanted to come for years to this event because it's a celebration of culture, music, costumes, dress, dance. I've really wanted to come here for many, many years. So I'm just so happy that Star FM has made it here today. We're going to learn, we're going to celebrate, we're just going to enjoy.
I really like the way you think there. It's a championship ethics now. Now, people that are watching this video, they want to know who are you. Please introduce yourself and say goodbye at the same time.
Okay, Steve Vickers from Star FM, sounding good all the time. Also known as a sports commentator, sports expert, yeah. And
you're on Star FM?
Yes.
How come you've never profiled in Zimbabwe's best comedian there?
I looked for Uskonjwa.
Yeah, he always plays my stuff. Yeah, this is them. Nice meeting you.
I'll tell him.
Ladies and gentlemen, now happening from City Hall, Kapa Konapana, getting ready and route to Mhlatlandlela. Thank you, my friend. Nice meeting you.
It was great.
One love.